Hey everyone, welcome to RoofSmart. I'm here to show you how RoofSmart Pads solve two really big problems. Problem number one, breaking tiles and damaging your roof. Ceramic and roof tiles look great, but they break too easy and they are not cheap to repair. As a homeowner, you may already know that replacing these tiles can get super expensive. To just replace one tile might not be possible because the colors won't match, and even when you can, it requires a ton of work. No matter how it happens, replacing these tiles can cost you thousands. The second big problem is getting hurt, something everyone wants to avoid. Broken tiles can slide out from underneath you, and now you're sliding down the roof. RoofSmart Pads were designed to protect you from both of these problems. The strong ABS plastic top gives you a stable footing, and the soft grippy foam bottom distributes your weight so that you don't cause damage. Heck, you can even jump up and down without breaking tiles. Getting up on your roof should not be a problem, and that's why we invented RoofSmart Pads. So whether it's your home or your job that requires you to get up on the roof, you want to feel safe and you want to avoid costly damage. These pads are made right here in the USA. Find the pack that works for you today. Be safe, be smart with RoofSmart, and place your orders today.